Understanding heightened emotions, a guide to English language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used English phrase, heightened emotions. This phrase is not just about feelings. It's about intense feelings. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding how to use this phrase can add depth to your English conversations. Let's explore together what heightened emotions really means and how you can use it in your daily English. Heightened emotions refers to feelings that are intensified or amplified beyond their normal state. Imagine emotions like happiness, sadness, anger, or fear, but much stronger than usual. It's like turning the volume up on your feelings. When we say someone is experiencing heightened emotions, it means they are feeling things more deeply or intensely at that moment. This can happen in situations of great excitement, stress, or even during significant life events. To better understand heightened emotions, let's look at some common scenarios where this phrase could be used. During a wedding, the bride and groom might experience heightened emotions, feeling an overwhelming sense of joy and love. In a scary situation, if you're walking alone at night and hear strange noises, you might feel heightened emotions, such as fear or anxiety. When receiving good or bad news, the news of a job promotion or, conversely, the loss of a loved one can lead to heightened emotions, from elation to profound grief. These examples show that heightened emotions can be positive or negative, depending on the context. Now that we understand what heightened emotions means, let's learn how to incorporate it into our conversations. 1. Describing personal experiences. I had heightened emotions on my first day at the new job. 2. Talking about movies or books. The novel's climax left me with heightened emotions, making it unforgettable. 3. Discussing events. The speech was so powerful that it evoked heightened emotions in the audience. By using heightened emotions in these ways, you can precisely express the intensity of feelings in various situations. We hope this video has helped you grasp the concept of heightened emotions and how it can be used to enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, learning to describe your feelings accurately is a crucial part of mastering a new language. So, keep practicing, and don't shy away from expressing your heightened emotions in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning and using new phrases like heightened emotions can make your English conversations more vivid and expressive. Keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary, and you'll find yourself becoming more fluent and confident in English. Happy learning!